Hey, what's up guys? Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas and welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a quick video because we will be unboxing what our friends from Huawei sent over. This is the Huawei P50 and it's a younger sibling to the Huawei P50 Pro which we unboxed and reviewed a few months ago. This is not a comparison video but more of an unboxing to show you guys what's inside the box. What are we waiting for? Let's get started. So what you're seeing here is the Huawei P50 box, and what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this and show you guys what's inside the box, obviously. Now just to take a look at the retail box, ito siya, kalagay dito app gallery, it says here Huawei P50, and that's pretty much everything. Ito of course pinakagay ito only for testing because this is a review unit that was sent to us by Huawei. Again, special thanks to Huawei for sending this over. Now, it's been a while since the launch of the P50 Pro and the P50 Pocket, and this time around they decided to bring over the P50 here in the Philippines. Now, as for the specifications, we'll go through that in a little bit, but for now, let's concentrate on unboxing this one. All right? Okay. So, there you have it. This is the box. And inside, obviously, the first thing we'll see here would be the Huawei P50. Let's take it out of the box for now. So, nakalagay dito, not for sale. Now, apart from the phone, let's go now through the other things inside. We have here the SIM ejector tool. And inside is, of course, the silicone case. Now, apart from this, we have here the Huawei Supercharge that, of course, buti na lang, no? It's inside the box. And this one is, let's remove this. This is our purse. Slowly. There. This one is a 66 watts charger. It's, of course, not usual for you to find a charger nowadays, no, sa mga retail boxes ng flagship smartphones, and Huawei is one of the few ones na naglalagay pa rin ng charger inside the box, which is a good thing. The phone supports this much of charging power. Okay. Now, apart from that, we have here the Type-C cable, which also comes as a standard in retail boxes of Huawei. Again, no, of course, thanks to Huawei for always still including these stuff inside their retail boxes. Now, let's move our attention to the phone. Now, the phone is running on the latest version of Harmony OS 2.0, and this is running on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 4G. Okay, so just to let you know, this one is has a 4G chipset, and if you compare that to the P50 Pro, that one has a 5G chipset. And this is running still on a 888 Snapdragon by Qualcomm. All right, in terms of GPU, we're expecting this to have an Adreno 660 GPU, which is capable enough for you to be able to play your favorite AAA smartphone or mobile games. Now, in terms of the display, now as you can see, it has really huge display. This is an OLED display, 1 billion colors up to 90 Hertz. Yun yung kanyang refresh rate. And you have a 6.5-inch diagonal size with a resolution of 1224 by 2700 pixels. Of course, one of the best features of this smartphone is, of course, the camera. As you can see, there is still a Leica branding right here. Now, we talked about this in our previous Week in Tech, that the P50 is basically the last smartphone that would have or that has this co-branding or co-engineering with Leica, because their contract ended, if you would remember that. This means that this should be something that you should consider if you're really a huge fan, especially if you're a huge fan of Huawei. Now, we have a 50 megapixel f1.8 wide camera. It has also 12 megapixel f3.4 periscope telephoto lens and a 13 megapixel ultra wide with an aperture of f2.2. That's basically everything here. And if you are into shooting videos, you can expect that you can shoot up to 4K at 30 to 60 FPS, 1080p 30 to 60 FPS as well, and then also up to 960 FPS if you want to shoot at slow motion. It also has gyro and also EIS for stabilization purposes. And we're good to go. This is the home screen of the Huawei P50 running on Harmony OS 2.0. And well, good thing this one has still battery from the factory. So saktong-sakto, we don't have any more problems of charging this before we're able to demonstrate the features for all of you. Okay, so as you can see, it's running on Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 4G with 8 gig of RAM. Now, essential to the software is of course HMS Core. Obviously, this does not have GMS because this is running on Huawei, but the backbone software is actually Android. So just to keep that in mind, this doesn't have, as usual, the Google Play Store that most Android users are, of course, using, but this one has a Huawei App Gallery. It's your gateway to millions of applications. And this one also has usually the links to applications which forwards you to third-party downloaders. Now, it's up to you if you guys would want to do that route. It's all up to you. But what's important is that you're able to download the applications. And, I always recommend that you do that through safe ways. There are many ways for you to be able to do that and verify of course, the safety or the security measures put into the software you're downloading. Now, again, this one is the Huawei P50, and as you can see, it's a little smaller than the Pro version, but we're not here to talk about the Pro version. We're here talking about this one right here. There's no price yet, as at the time of us speaking and talking about this product. We will be updating our video and put it in the description box below about the price, but rest assured that we will be informing or telling you guys about it on our website as well. So ayan, couple of things that I would like to mention before I go. The display is flat, but it looks really good, and that's what you can expect from an OLED display. There is no notch, but there is a punch hole at the center, for you guys to know that. There are two speaker right here and another speaker at the bottom, and beside that is the Type-C port. And also what we have is itong SIM tray niya. And this specific SIM tray, as far as I know, is it has a dual SIM capability. Switches are on the right side. We have the iconic red button right there, which signifies that this one is a flagship Leica co-engineered product. And at the back, a very minimal camera bump. Of course, these are Leica engineered lens, Kalagay dito, Vario Summicron lens. And you have the branding right there, Huawei. Okay, so that's pretty much everything you need to know about the Huawei P50. I know you guys have questions. We will be covering that on our full review. We do have already a full review of the Pro version of this one. You can go and check it out in the link in the description below. And there you have it. This has been our quick unboxing of the Huawei P50. I hope you guys enjoyed and knew something about this product. We will be dropping the official SRP of this product once it's out here in the Philippines. And of course, we will be dropping, as I mentioned earlier, our full review on our website at gadgetpilipinas.net in about 2 to 3 weeks. Again, this has been Gian. Catch you in the next video. Bye.